You all need to watch this video, my people. I be no know say dem dey fix wood like this, o. Wood wey don tear, but see the way this man go take fix this wood now in such a way that even if you go hardly know, anybody go hardly know say dem fix this wood. So you just dey apply gum here. You see gum, so you come use that gum hold am together. Now watch, see the process wey e take. At the end, you go see say this wood go just look like say e never tear before. You go just see, just watch. Just watch carefully. Just watch carefully to see wetin this guy go do here. So you don apply gum now. You see? Now you wan fix some of those small small woods now. You wan fix them in between. Just watch. Seriously, I be no know say this kind thing dey happen. I be think say once wood don break or spoil, that's all. But as I dey watch this video so, I come dey surprise. Like dem dey fix wood wey don spoil, wey don break. If you be carpenter, you need to watch this video. You need to share this video. You need to save this video to your phone. Share it to other colleagues. All your colleagues, make dem watch this video too, because this video go dey helpful. So you still dey apply gum for the sides. You still dey apply gums. Now you dey cut those sticks wey you hit for those points now. In fact, this is wood management. If you ask me, this is wood management and also woodwork. This kind creativity, e no dey for everybody head. E no dey common. So e dey smoothen am now. E dey smoothen am so that e go dey leveled, and at the end you go see say this wood go just look like say dem never touch am before, like say na new wood wey dem just buy or wey dem just cut. This is amazing, guys.